All right, this is the 30M-FPP jack pad. It's designed to work on flat spring steel gear that you find on many of the Cessna aircraft, like the Cessna 185. Also for the Citabria aircraft and others with spring steel gear. There's the pad, which is adjustable, has a number of holes here for changing the width of the gear, and a couple of attachments over here to also change the angle that the pad sits on. On the underside is the ball that catches the top of the jack. In this case, there's an adapter that comes with the jack pad, screws on the top of the standard 6-ton jack, has the dimple in the top that catches the ball and holds it and allows it to swivel at different angles. So now that you've seen the pad, let's put it on the aircraft and go from there. Okay, we're going to install the 30M FPP jack pad on the landing gear of the Cessna 185. You just thread it in here and it can fit on the gear. And then we're going to add a C-clamp to the gear to hold it in place. C-clamp is an important safety factor here, particularly on gear like the Cessna 180 and 185 where the angle of the gear is extremely steep. And we'll just place our jack under the jack point. And begin to raise the jack against the jack pad. And in just a few seconds, we get the tire up, free off the ground, ready to do brake work, wheel bearings, tire changes, etc. Well, that's the FPP jack pad. Safe, secure, simple.